Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment, back on the Solid Corner with a thing called the Solid Foundation. The next tune we're going to play, when they ask, why did you do this? Hey, I don't know. Ask Hopeton Lewis, okay? Because he caused a thing called the sound and pressure.
Sir. Ooh, ooh, get right on the beat now. Ooh, everybody gotta keep on moving right now, sir. They gotta keep on coming in. Everybody gotta keep on moving. Oh yes, I say now. You gotta keep on coming in to this dance, to this dance. Gonna put on the pressure, sounds and pressure. Gonna put on the pressure, sounds of pressure. Who can take it now, leave it? Who can take it, stay under it? Oh yes, Lord. When I put on the pressure, you gotta keep on coming in. Dig me straight, dig me straight. Everybody gotta keep on moving right on the beat now. You gotta keep on coming in one by one, Lord. Everybody gotta keep on moving, oh yes, right now. Just keep on coming in to this dance, to this dance, to this dance. Don't stay outside and mumble. Just get right in and crumble.
That was when they asked, why did you do this? It was Hopeton Lewis causing all the sound and the pressure, making you move right on the beat now, man. Yeah, man, on the Meritone label. Yeah, it's not a fable. So that was Hopeton Lewis with a thing called Sound and Pressure. And we're going to have another Hopeton Lewis coming up for you right after this one, because he's not a one-hit wonder, so don't ponder. You know, this one is going to take you over yonder. Okay? So yes, that was Sound and Pressure by Hopeton Lewis, a reggae giant. Trust me. The next tune, you're going to say, wow, yeah man, I Hopeton that, right? So yes, keep it locked to Solid Rock. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep the comment section positive. Let's conversate and build. Yeah, that's how we do it over here. So seeing on the Solid Corner. Yeah, on the Solid Corner, boy. Telling you. Yeah. Ooh, right now, sir. Keep it locked.